Hello, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking. I'm Jerome, and today we will be making a gourmet cheeseburger.
Today we're going to be talking about the ingredients, which we have here a 6-ounce beef patty from our friends at Liberty Farms, as well as 2 bacon slices, slightly rubbed down with brown sugar. We also have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 sliced purple onion, sliced tomato, hamburger bun, as well as spring mix, and the cheese of the day, Boursin's cheese. So the first step is with our 6-ounce beef patty. We will be searing it, and that's just more so to lock in a lot of the flavor and all of the deliciousness in the burger. After that, we will be placing the burger into the oven at 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on your liking. All right, so once you finish cooking your burger to your desired likeness, we're gonna go ahead and assemble the burger. We're gonna take some spring mix, just a slight handful, put it over top of our bun, as well with some sliced tomato and the sliced onion. And that is our beef patty. Once you get the beef patty on, you want to finish it with the Boursin cheese, which you can also finish on the grill so it melts really well, or some people just like it cold. Let's spread it. Finish with your cheese spread. You're going to next take your candied bacon, and put it with your bun. This will be available in our bistro and cafe Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thank you for watching it. Tune into our next episode.